Last Z Survival Shooter Tips and Tricks 2025. Now, here are some tips and tricks for mastering Last Z Survival Shooter, specifically this year and currently on this update. So, it's pretty much about skillful movement, learning to dodge zombies while lining up, specifically when you are fighting the main battle or the main story or main campaign story, I mean. But specifically, when it doesn't come to this campaign levels, you can prioritize base and research. Now keep your resources and HQ upgraded to unlock higher level structures. Research boosts productivity and unlock essential features, speeds, and progress. You can also optimize heroes and gear. Now assign heroes based on tasks, combat, resource gathering, and exploring. So you can upgrade them to unlock boosts and usable abilities. So the higher the level they are, the more abilities they do unlock. So you're gonna have to put that in mind to become stronger in this game. You can use high tier gear, which is pretty much unlocked once you are at a higher point of the game. So make sure to always be consistent with playing the game, doing as much upgrades as you can to reach the higher point of level much faster. So, smart resource gathering, use low command heroes to send more troops gathering at once, participate in events, so don't miss daily events like Full Preparedness or Bullseye Loot. They offer huge rewards for little to no effort. Diamonds, tickets, and fragments unlock at least task chests daily for big bonuses. And if you're a free-to-play player, they should join Active Alliance, even though if you're not, you can still join. But upgrade alliance centers there and invest slowly. Focus on your top hero for synergy. Sticking with a strong group unlocks bonuses and rewards. But anyways, those are a few tips and tricks you can do for Last Sea Survival. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.